Hi everyone, I am Prashant Andam. Welcome back to our channel. As a part of our AWS Masterclass series, today we will continue session 14, part 2, which is RDS, Relational Database Service. Okay, and it is used to manage database services. It allows users to create and manage databases without installing or maintaining database software, and it supports MySQL, PostgreSQL, and Oracle, all those things. You can go through the details for more information here without wasting your time. Let's get back to into our demo. And here one more thing. In our part 1 we have created a EC2 instance with elastic beanstalk, right? This one we will be creating RDS server now, RDS database, and we will use the same EC2 instance to access the RDS database. Click for RDS, choose this one, Aurora and RDS, create database, and in this select MySQL standard, this one, and then let all things be same, choose template as free tier. Here in database settings you can see what all availability zone during here, everything. Since we are going with free tier, we will be getting one instance. And in settings provide the DB name, pr-rds-demo, and let the master name be admin, and self-managed password, provide a password for this, confirm again. Great. Upon confirmation, go to instance configuration and select the this one, T3 micro. This will be sufficient for us. And in connectivity, select EC2 instance, or we can go in this way, select the same subnet. Yes, for public access, this is subnet group, VPC security group, this one, availability zone, let it be random, give as AWS demo DB. This backup window and everything you can choose as you request. Let's click on create database. Okay, this needs to be underscore. Let's wait till the database create. VPC does not support DNS hostname, it seems. We need to update the VPC and try again. Let's go to our VPC, choose our VPC. This is our VPC. Let's enable DNS hostnames and save this. That's cool. Let's click on create again, it will work. Cool, our database is being created. Let's wait for a while. We'll wait till it finish. And it should show available here. Then we can proceed with further action items. It may take 5 to 10 minutes, so I'll pass and I'll get back again. I'm just adding port 22 inbound to access the EC2 instance. Wonderful. We are able to access the EC2 instance. Great. Let's see if the database is created. Wonderful. The database is also created. Now, what we have to do is go to EC2 instance, which has been created with Elastic Beanstalk. This is the EC2 instance. Okay. Go to the security group. If you come here and click on security, you can see the security groups for this. Click on that security group and copy the security group name. You can see here security group name. Copy the security group name. Now go back to RDS server. Click on this. Again click on security. This is the security group. Okay. Click on this. Click on edit inbound rules. Edit inbound rules and add a role. Here we have to select MySQL Aurora and the port 3306, it's correct. And in the source you have to choose the EC2 instance security group. We just copied and paste it. And then save these changes. Wonderful. Changes have been saved. Now here if you see, we already connected to that instance, right? Come here and now update this first by running sudo m update -y. Cool, it's up to date. Now install MySQL on this. M install MySQL -y, enter. Okay, did we enter correct spelling? Fine. Okay, let's try the other one as well. MariaDB will try. Sudo m install -y, it has to install. Completed. Now verify MySQL version. MySQL -, version. It is showing wonderful. Now run this command, okay, which is MySQL -h and our RDS endpoint. Go back to RDS. This is fine. Let's run this as it is. Click enter password. Great. We are into, if you see here, we are into MySQL now. Now we have to enter show databases. As our server version is 8.4.7, then we will be seeing our database. And now what you will do, see, database is changed. Cool. This is how we'll connect from our EC2 instance to RDS database. So in this session 14, we have seen how to use Elastic Beanstalk and create an EC2 instance, and then how to create an RDS database, and how to access it from an EC2 instance. Hope you enjoyed the session, and thanks for watching. I kindly request you all to subscribe to our channel for more DevOps content and share the channel information to someone who is looking to learn DevOps courses. Thank you. Bye bye.